Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia 5 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down right away to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill with Google, and this green sweater next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, everything is gray. That means that Autofill is definitely off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!